Good morning, student. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all are fine. I am also fine. I am Munira Sultana, teacher of class KG, Milestone Preparatory KG School. Student, today I will take your GK class. So, before starting my today's topic, I will say something about our previous topic. So, what was our previous topic? Yes, our previous topic was good habits. What are our good habits? Yes, early rising is a very good habit. So always try to get up early in the morning. It is very good for our health. And brush your teeth twice in a day. It means it is morning and in the night. And always wash your hand with soap before and after taking any food. Clear? It was our previous topic. Now Miss will start our today's topic. So before starting my today's topic, all of you listen to your Miss carefully. Eyes should be always on your Miss. Clear? So our today's topic is festivals of different religion. So today I will tell something about the different festivals of our different religion. Clear? So student, get ready for the class. Now I will discuss about the festival. There are 4 most known religions in Bangladesh. They are Islam, Hindu, Christian and Buddha. Every religion have its own festival. People who follow Islam is called Muslim. Muslims go to the mosque for taking prayer. In Islam, there are 2 big festivals. They are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Eid al-Fitr come after Ramadan and Eid al-Azha come after 2 months of Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is the most biggest festivals of Islam. In Eid al-Fitr, people make different types of delicious food and distribute it to the neighbors and relatives. In Eid al-Fitr, people buy new dresses and visit each other's house. But in Eid al-Azha, they sacrifice the animal like goat, cow, isn't it? And in Arabic, it is called Qurbani, isn't it? And in the Qurbani Eid, they sacrifice the animals and distribute the meat to the relatives and poor. Now, student, I will show you some picture about the festival. Hindu religion has different types of festival like Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Lakshmi Puja and Saraswati Puja. Among these festivals, Durga Puja is the biggest one. Hindus pray in temple. Now I show you some picture about the biggest festival of Christian is Christmas. Christmas Day is observed all over the world on 25th December. Big cities and towns are decorated with light, candle and Christmas tree. And they cut the cakes and enjoy the day. They pray in kirja or church. Now I show the picture. People who follow Buddhism is called Buddhist. Buddhist big religion festival is Buddha Purnima. They pray in pagoda. Now I show you the picture. Every religion has its own festivals to celebrate. These festivals observed very nicely. People make different types of food and distribute it to the neighbors and relatives. These festivals help us to make good relationship with each other. In our class, some of our friends celebrate Eid, some of our friends celebrate Puja, Christmas or Buddha Purnima. That means they are from different religion, isn't it? So from today's class, what we learn? We learn different religions' name, their prayer place and their festival, isn't it? Hope all of you understand about our today's topic. Now let's see a video. Before showing the video, I want to say you goodbye. So all of you, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.
Look at the following places of worship: mosque, temple, church, Gurudwara.